So good morning, class 8 children. Yesterday we revised chapter number 13, sound. Today let's continue with chapter number 14, if chemical effect of electric current. So here are few of the questions. So let's start revising it. Question number 1 is, why it is dangerous to touch electrical appliances with wet hands? Kindly raise your hand.
Ma'am, it is
Kindly raise your hand. First, Sarthak Sehgal will tell as he has raised hand.
it is dangerous to touch electric appliances with wet hands because it may be it is a chance that you may catch electricity because our body is a good conductor. That's the reason we should never touch uh, uh,
Electrical appliances with wet hands. Okay, Sarthak Singh Rao, same question.
Ma'am, we should not touch the electric appliances with wet hands because the water is very good conductor of electricity.
And we may get electric shock. Okay.
Yes.
Next, name substances which make any liquid good conductor of electricity. You must be remembering we were adding something to make liquid a good conductor. Yes, Sarthak Singh Rao.
Ma'am, we can add salt or lemon solution.
Okay, good. Yes, Aryan.
Or
Any answer?
vinegar.
Yes. Yes, the answer from your side. Same question number 2.
Ma'am, lemon juice, vinegar, vegetable oil, milk, honey.
So we will
Lemon
be
juice, tap
adding
water.
salt. We will be adding salt to make it more conducting. Okay, salt and as you are saying, lemon we'll add. Next, number 3. Name the part of the bulb which glows. Akriti.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, filament.
Filament. And can you define the filament? What do you mean by filament? Sarthak Singh Rao, sit again you are sitting in the odd position. Yes. Yes, tell Akriti, what is a filament then? What is filament, Akriti? Yes, Sarthak Singh.
Ma'am, it is the part of bulb which glows. It is a string like.
Yes, thin part
It
of
is
thin wire-like structure which glows when the current flows through it. Next, number 4. Does distilled water conduct electricity? Children, rest of the children may also raise hand. Yes, Sarthak Sehgal.
Distilled water does not conduct electricity because it is the pure form of water, and if we want to conduct the distilled water, we need to add salt to it.
Okay, so distilled water is free from the impurities. That's why it does not conduct electricity. Number 5. Name the gas deposited on the negative electrode. Rest children. Akriti, Aryan Agarwal, Barira, Monali, Shaurya, Priya, Harshit Tyagi. Can also give the gas which is deposited. Okay. Aryan, Sarthak Singh, you give the answer of same question.
Ma'am, oxygen and hydrogen.
Name the gas deposited on negative electrode. Which is deposited on negative electrode. But it is hydrogen. I had already told you hydrogen gets deposited on the negative electrode. Okay. And oxygen is deposited on the positive electrode. Okay. Next is, how can you test liquids conduct or do not conduct the electricity? How can you test that liquids conduct electricity and do not conduct electricity. Is there any, are you having any test for it? How can you tell by testing that liquids conduct electricity or do not conduct the electricity? कैसे पता चलेगा आपको? ये सार्थक सहगल.
Ma'am, liquids that conduct electricity conduct some small bubbles when they are passed through.
No, wait, beta. How can you test liquid conduct and do not conduct the electricity? What you had made the tester. You just put the wires of the tester in the liquid and connected. That wire is connected with the bulb or small LED. Okay. As you put the wires of the tester in the liquid, if that LED glows, it means the liquid conduct electricity. And if does not glow, it means it does not conduct the electricity. Means with the help of a tester, you can see that whether it is conducting electricity or not. Okay.
Okay,
Fine,
ma'am.
children. Okay. Next is number 7. Explain why a bulb glows on passing current. Why bulb glows on passing the current? Why bulb glows on passing the current? What happens when the current is passed through it? What is present inside the bulb which glows? Bulb glows on passing the current because what happens, beta? The filament gets heated up. The filament gets heated up.
Ma'am, due to heating effect of current.
Yes, due to the heating effect of current, the filament gets heated and it starts glowing. That's why we can say that when the current is passed through the bulb, it starts glowing. Number 8. What is a chemical effect of electricity? Give some examples of chemical effect. So can you give any example of chemical effect of electricity? And where you have read this effect? Chemical effect of electricity. Any example of it? Kindly raise hand. Chemical
Ma'am,
effect of
electroplating.
electricity. Chemical effect of electricity. Electroplating is an application of electrolysis. That is a chemical effect of electricity. Means, but you have to give few more example that where we are using these methods. Means we can deposit one metal on the another cheaper metal. That is a chemical effect. And further, you can give the examples of it as we had given in case of electroplating. Okay. Got it, children? Got the answer of this question number 8?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 9. 2 methods of testing an insulator or conductor. If something is given to you, how you can test whether it is a conductor or whether it is an insulator? How you can tell? If 2 or 3 things are given to you and the question is that test whether it is conductor or insulator. Yes, first Sarthak Singh will tell, then Aryan.
Ma'am, by tester.
By using tester. Okay. Aryan, tell.
Ma'am, by using a tester with a compass.
Compass. Compass. What is the role of compass?
Ma'am, if it is a conductor, so it will show the deflection.
Okay. So simply, children, you may use the tester and moreover tester with a LED or a bulb. You must have seen when the electrician comes to your home and you give any of the query that this bulb is not working, this switch is not working. First of all, what does he check? He check with the help of a tester whether the current is coming or not. In the same way, you can use the tester, and what the tester will show that that object is insulator or conductor. In case of a conductor, the bulb will glow, and the bulb will not glow in case of the insulators. Okay, so with the help of a tester, you can check the insulators or conductors. Any of the thing, even the liquids you may check. Okay, or you can make your own tester, or in electric circuit you can touch the wires with the different things and you may test insulator and conductors. Next, write true or false. Rubber is an insulator. Is it true? You need to state true or false. What is rubber? Yes, Veronica.
True. True.
True. Rubber is an insulator. Kindly switch on your cameras, children. I don't know why you sit like this. Number B. Electroplating causes rusting. Who wants to tell? Yes, Aryan, Agarwal, Akriti. Electroplating causes rusting. Yes, Sarthak Singh and Sarthak Sehgal.
Ma'am, false. Electroplating doesn't cause rusting. It helps iron to not be rusted.
Yes, it prevents iron from rusting by depositing the another layer on it. Number C, vinegar can dash electricity. Vinegar does conduct electricity or not? Does vinegar conduct electricity?
Good conductor of electricity.
Yes, you had just told that we can add
Good
few drops
conductor.
of vinegar. So vinegar can conduct electricity. You have to write down this. So children, this was a very small worksheet of chapter number 14. Okay, next children, choose the most appropriate answer. Now we'll go for the MCQs of this chapter. One is, which of the following is a bad conductor of electricity? Kindly raise hand, children, only then I can ask. Yes, Sarthak Sehgal.
Ma'am, distilled water.
Distilled water is a poor conductor. Let's see the answer. Okay, good. It's okay. Next is, which of the following does not conduct electricity? Does not conduct electricity. Which one of this? Sugar solution, vinegar, lemon juice, caustic soda. Which of them do not conduct electricity? Yes, Veronica.
Sugar solution.
Sugar solution does not conduct electricity. Good. Number next. An electric current can produce what? Heating effect, chemical effect, magnetic effect, all of these. Kindly raise hand, Akriti. Children, raise hand and mute yourself, Barira. It is all of these. In our class 7, we have read the heating and magnetic effect. And in this class, in chapter number we are just studying the chemical effect. Next, pure or distilled water is, what's it? Pure and distilled water. क्या है ये? Poor conductor, good conductor, both, none of these.
Poor conductor.
Already you have done, children. Distilled water does not conduct electricity. If it does not conduct electricity, then what is it? It is a poor conductor. Which of the following is a good conductor? Good conductor, check. Brick, steel, plastic, cotton, steel.
Ma'am, steel.
Why steel? Because steel has small part of iron also. That's why. Polythene.
Ma'am, insulator.
Yes, Barira.
Ma'am, insulator.
It's an insulator. Electroplating is based on which of the effect?
Chemical effect of electricity. Ma'am, chemical effect.
Chemical effect of electroplating, heating, physical, magnetic. So you have
Ma'am,
said,
chemical.
okay, chemical effect of electric current. Just we have read chemically we can we can deposit one metal on the other. Next, copper is a barira. Good conductor, insulator, both, none. कॉपर क्या है? ये सार्थक सहगल.
Ma'am, a good conductor.
Yes, simply RN Agarwal, not even a single answer you had given today. Copper is a good conductor. That's why the wires are made up of, electric wires are made up of copper. Waste from the electroplating factories must be disposed of. Where should we dispose of all the waste? In nearby river, pond, cornfield, or according to the disposal guidelines of waste management bodies.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, wait.
Ma'am,
Yes. Anybody else who was saying now?
Ma'am, can I tell?
RN Agarwal, will you give the answer for this question? Yes, Sarthak and Veronica give the same answer.
Ma'am, according to the disposal guidelines of waste management bodies.
Yes, Veronica, what you say?
Same according to the disposal guideline of waste management bodies.
Okay. So we have to follow these guidelines. Next, number 10. An electrolyte is. Harshit Tyagi, no answer for yours from your side. Shaurya Jain, Akriti, very less participation. Electrolyte is a metal or a liquid that conduct current. A non-metal. None of these. क्या है ये हमारा? Electrolyte, what is it?
Metal.
Anybody else? Yes,
Ma'am, metal.
Sarthak Singh. Sehgal.
Ma'am, a liquid that conducts current.
Yes, it's a liquid that conducts electricity. Electrolyte. So many times I had told you that when the electroplating is done, we use electrolyte as copper sulfate. Copper sulfate is the electrolyte that we are using. So electrolyte means a liquid that conduct electricity. Next, flow of electrons is called
Electric current.
electric current. Okay, electric current. When the electrons flow, then we say electric current. Next, which is not a non-electrolyte.
Ma'am,
Not-
sodium solution.
ध्यान से, not an not a non-electrolyte. This you have to tell. Sodium, you are saying, is it chloride or sodium solution you are saying? Ethyl alcohol, sodium chloride, urea, sodium solution. What's it? Not an electrolyte. So it's a sodium chloride. It exists in the solid form. Number 13. An electric lamp glows due to heating, chemical.
Ma'am, heating.
Okay. That electric bulb, you know, electric bulb or lamp, they glows due to the heating effect. Next, electroplating prevents corrosion, dissociation,
Ma'am, shining.
prevent पूछा है बेटा, you are speaking, just take care of the question first of all. इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग क्या प्रिवेंट करता है? शाइनिंग को प्रिवेंट थोड़ा ना करता, शाइनिंग तो प्रोवाइड करता है।
मैम passing of current.
Corrosion. The metal does not get corroded. When we electroplate, अभी आपने किया नहीं बेटा, just we have done on iron. Iron आपको पता that gets corroded. So what we add?
Ma'am,
Iron.
zinc.
Yes, with the coating of zinc is done. And on iron, the coating of tin is done. So that is the electroplating prevent. ठीक है, from rusting, or you may say corrosion. Next, which of the following is not used for electroplating metal articles? Not used. ध्यान से करिएगा. You just forget nickel, silver, chromium, sodium.
Ma'am, nickel.
Which we do not use.
Ma'am, sodium.
Ma'am, sodium.
Sodium, because sodium. Why we do not use sodium? Sodium क्या चीज है? Sodium we can't use this. Sodium is also a metal. Iron objects can be protected by electroplating them with. How we
Ma'am,
can?
all of
these. Yes. So iron, why we are saying always that we need to protect iron? Why iron is
Ma'am,
being protected?
it gets
Ma'am,
corroded.
because it get rusted.
Because
Ma'am,
it
it
gets
gets
rusted, and iron is a
very
metal, yes, which is the strongest metal, and we are using iron everywhere. Maximum of the places we are using iron, and that's why we are saying that the iron object should be protected by electroplating. Okay. In LED, the longer lead is connected to which terminal? LED में जो longer wire है, that should be connected to the positive. Okay. The tap water is a good conductor of electricity, while distilled water is not, because आपको पता है ये आंसर.
Ma'am, because
Do not conduct salt.
Yes,
ma'am, tap water contains salt.
tap water contain salt. और other answer भी आप दे सकते हो. Distilled water do not contain salt. Any of the answer can be there. Both are correct.
Ma'am, both A and B.
Yes. Both A and B क्यों? अच्छा, both A and B भी. Yes, we can give this also. Both A and B are correct. Tap water salt contain करता है and distilled water do not contain salt. These answers can be given. Next. When electrodes are immersed in water and electricity pass, the bubbles formed on the positive terminal. Just we have done. अभी मैंने आपको बताया
Ma'am,
था.
hydrogen.
पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल पे
Ma'am,
किसके
oxygen,
बबल्स
oxygen.
फॉर्म होते हैं? ऑक्सीजन.
Oxygen.
यस. और नेगेटिव टर्मिनल पे किसके फॉर्म होते हैं? हाइड्रोजन के.
Ma'am, hydrogen.
चिल्ड्रन डोंट फॉरगेट प्लीज, इसको ध्यान में रखिए जरा. दिस क्वेश्चन में बी देयर अगेन एंड अगेन. दिस वी आर गोइंग फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. Hydrogen deposited on negative terminal. Write down somewhere. And oxygen on the positive terminal. So children, these are the MCQs of chapter number 14.